had the cats spayed and neutered, and we have now brought 17 of the cats that were fit to go down to their new home, which is a beautiful bamboo farm. And after just a very short while of curiously looking around, the cats made their way out, and we'll be lucky to find them now. You have to look closely. They're hiding in the bushes, crawling along in the undergrowth, exploring the barns, and I think they're going to be very happy here. They're very friendly cats, and the farmer and his family are going to feed them every day. They're very excited about having them round, not least of all because they'll help with the rat problem they had. Just the smell of the cats will keep the rats away. But they really are going to have a nice life here. There's lots of room for them. They can go anywhere. There's just a dirt track, not a road, so there's no vehicle traffic coming through. And bamboos, a river at the back, lots of little hills and valleys they can hide in, as well as the old barns and some farm vehicles that they've been happily climbing over. But you could tell they were town cats first of all. They headed for the cars and vehicles and tried to hide under the vehicles, but now they've crept out again and they're exploring all the greenery, so very pleased that they're happy.